Hi, my name's Lorna and I'm here to talk to you about this week's plant of the week, which is the wonderful Stipa Tenuissima, otherwise known as Mexican feathergrass. This ornamental species of grass can grow up to 60 centimetres in height. They're clump-forming species with swishy, upright leaves and feathery heads that fade off to a buff in the autumn, but they do stand up very well to the winter weather. They're fantastic for softening borders or really bringing together any type of planting scheme that you're trying to achieve. They work really well in a border, a coastal garden or prairie-style planting. They're really low maintenance plants and they're drought tolerant, which is great for the hot summer that we've just had. Put it in a spot that gets full sun and it really needs well-drained soil. They actually quite like poor soil and they'll get quite a floppy habit if they're in rich soil. Cut them back, or the whole clump, or comb through, wearing gloves in early spring or summer, and it really pulls that old growth and it should come away very easily. So if you're looking for a low maintenance plant that likes full sun, that can be planted anywhere in your garden to bring any type of theme together, that will look great in a swathe, creating real movement and texture throughout a border, then the Stipa is a great choice. And that's why it's our plant of the week.